Okay, so in order to set up your website, you're going to need a couple of tools. So here are two that are used. The first one I'm going to show you here is called 7-Zip. And what 7-Zip is for unzipping a what's called an archive. An archive, a zip archive, is a bundle of files that are all collected together and compressed down. It makes it easier to transfer files over the internet if you take a load of files, compress them down. When you download them, then what you need to do is you need to uncompress them out so that they're all individual files again. So one format for that is called zip, and one program here is called 7-Zip. So you can find 7-Zip if you just Google 7-Zip or go to 7-zip.org. Here's the homepage for 7-Zip. You can see there's a couple of different options. The top one here is for Windows, and there's a download link here. So it's really easy to find. So to move over to the other side here, this tool is called FileZilla. What FileZilla is an FTP client. Now, FTP is not very complex. It's very simple. It stands for File Transfer Protocol. It's a name that it just reflects that what it's about is about downloading and uploading files, so transferring files around. So to get your FileZilla, to get your WordPress website set up, what you need to do is you need to download a bunch of files, uncompress them so they're all individual files, and then upload them all onto your website. So the upload tool is FileZilla. So what you want to do is you want to download the FileZilla client, and it's on the FileZilla homepage. So if you Google FileZilla, you'll find this web page and look for FileZilla client. Very easy to use. What you do is you click on the download link, it'll download, and then install it onto your computer. Same for 7-Zip. Click the download link, download the program, and install it on your computer. And then you're ready to upload your website. So here we're downloading FileZilla. So I've just clicked on the download link for the Windows version. You can see that it recommends which one it thinks that you need. So we're just waiting for the download page, and the download here will start automatically. So it's giving me an option to save the file here, so I'm going to save. And now the download is kicked off. So depending on your speed, this will take a few minutes. So you see the speed is ticking over nicely now. And there we go, that's nearly done. Okay, so next thing to do now is to run the downloaded installer file. And I'm just going to click run. Okay, you need to accept the license agreement. And just click next. I'm going to put a desktop icon, make it easier to find, and run through the rest. Okay, great, that's FileZilla installed. And here's the FileZilla main application window. Okay, here's how to download and install 7-Zip. Here's the 7-Zip homepage at 7zip.org. I'm using Windows, so I'm going to download the very first link here, which is a simple download file for 32-bit computers. If you have a newer system, particularly something that maybe you bought in 2010 or later, then you can use the 64-bit version. Just for anybody using Mac OS, there's a link over here, the download link, which brings you to alternative versions. I'm just going to click on that. So here's the download page for alternative versions. You can see the Windows ones at the top here. So if I scroll down, okay, so if you have a Mac, you can use one of these versions here. I'm going to go back to the Windows version and download this one here. Download starts automatically, pops up a download window. Okay, that's downloaded now. So the next thing to do is run the installer. And that's it, you got 7-Zip installed.